The Visual Verification Bridge is a universal video communicator that will turn your standalone alarm panels and cameras into a unified security solution. Traditional alarm panels have reliably provided intrusion detection and delivered signals into central monitoring stations for decades. When zones are tripped, the alarm panel transmits an alarm code to a central station. But monitoring these zones without seeing what triggered the detector has led to high false alarm rates and slow police response times. Fortunately, we have a solution: the Visual Verification Bridge. With the bridge installed, the alarm panel will continue to provide the reliable detection and signal delivery information, and the bridge will transmit video, allowing the central station operator and end user to see exactly what caused the alarm. When using the recommended wiring methods, the bridge will arm and disarm with your alarm panel and will supervise the alarm zones for a trigger. When there is an alarm, pre- and post-alarm video is uploaded for the central station. This alarm event video and live video is available to operators the moment they begin processing the alarm signal, giving operators the real-time information they need to make informed decisions. The checked dealer launch site will provide you with technical design and sales design ideas to help you successfully deploy the Visual Verification Bridge.